This video is part one of a series on making realistic Scotch pines to be used as presentation or foreground trees. The video is only an introduction and is quite general. But below the video are links to pages with detailed pictures and step-by-step instructions to make these Scotch pines. This first series of images show a few prototypes. Each is uniquely shaped. In our collection of prototype images, we have many more that show different looks that we use for different scenes. So the armature that you make will depend on the type trees that you want to put in your scenery. Making these requires time and patience. You may have to make 10 to 15 trees before you get a result that you like. I have a fascination with making trees, so that I will show you some of the techniques that I have developed over time. The images do not show the many trees that have gone into the to be used sometime only as background trees collection. When making armatures, I make them to be completed by adding pads of needles. I show you how to do that in another video. Because I use these pads, I do not have to make complex armatures. All that I have to do is make the branches with 2 or 3 catch points that will hold the pads. I have images of my completed trees in this video, and they are so labeled. Like I say, there are links below this video to my detailed tutorials. These tutorials also contain links to third-party tutorials written by a man from Netherlands who I consider to be the master tree maker. Do go there and see what is available. As I said, this video is general and it is intended only to provide some introductory information. In any case, I would appreciate it if you give it a like and leave your comments or questions in the comments box below. Also, if you have any information about any other high-quality trees, please leave that in the comments box below. And then, of course, if you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell in the process, you will be notified as I add more videos about making trees and make modeled scenery and dioramas. Thank you for watching and have a good day.